Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. Today I'm back in the kitchen again, and today I'll be doing rice and peas the Jamaican way. So as you all know, rice and peas is a major part of the traditional Jamaican dinner. So here I have some cooked peas. It was cooked in the pressure cooker pot. The peas was cooked with a few pieces of garlic to aid in faster cooking of the peas. These are all the ingredients that I'll be using in today's rice and peas. Here I have margarine. I have coconut milk powder, 2 sachets of that. I have salt, sugar, and I also have some natural seasoning, which is scallion, thyme, and sweet pepper. So everything is here except from the rice. I'll be showing you the rice soon. Now I'm adding some water to the pot, and I just turned on back the stove. It's now time to add all the ingredients except from the rice in the pot. So I just added the natural seasonings, the sugar. The sugar is optional. I use it because it adds a little more flavor to the rice and peas. Now I'm adding the salt, and that's 1 tablespoon of salt. Now I'm adding the margarine, and this will make your rice taste very good. And now it's time to add the coconut milk powder. You can also use natural coconut milk from blended or grated coconuts if you wish, but the powder is more convenient and it's easier to use. So I'm just giving it a little stir, and I'm going to cover the pot and allow the water to boil. This is the rice that I'll be using. Remember to always wash your rice to remove any foreign objects and excess starch. Remember that the rice has gone through a lot of process in the factory, so it is best to wash the rice, and this is parboiled rice. So after the water has boiled in the pot, I'll be adding the washed rice to the water. It hasn't been washed as yet though. The water is boiling, so as you can see, it's peas water, it's coconut milk and everything else that I added before. Now it's time to add the rice. Rice and peas is a major part of the traditional Jamaican Sunday dinner. So this is what we normally eat on Sundays, along with any protein of our choice, or if you're a vegan or vegetarian, you eat it with whatever you want to eat it with. So stay tuned to see the finished product of the rice. I'm going to cover the pot and leave it to cook for about 20 minutes, for approximately 20 minutes, and then I'll show you what the rice looks like. After all the liquid is almost dried out of the rice and peas, you're going to turn down the stove to minimum heat and give the rice a little stir, and then you're going to cover and leave to steam until it is finished cooking. The rice and peas is done cooking now, and I served it with brown stewed chicken alongside tossed vegetable salad and sliced cucumbers. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope my video helped someone. Please stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment and share if you can. Bye.